What is even the best software solutions in the world without internal security? Every year, Indian public sector banks lose over thousands of crores to fraud. But what goes unnoticed is that the majority of the frauds are caused not by outsiders, but by insiders who already have the permissions they need. This is the insider threat problem, and traditional security tools are blind to it. They watch the door, they don't watch what happens once someone is inside. We build a system that does. We are Team 404, not founders, and we build an early warning system that detects these threats and catches them before the damage is done. Our system watches every user event in real time: logins, file access, database queries, data transfers, and uses a two-stage machine learning pipeline to score each one for fraud risk within 60 seconds. When something looks wrong, it does not just raise an error. It explains why in plain language and automatically triggers a response. Our solution operates in four layers. The first is a real-time ingestion layer built on Apache Kafka, which streams over 1 million events per second from data sources simultaneously. The second layer is the UEBA baseline engine. For every user in the organization, the system builds a behavioral profile: what time they use the system, at what volumes, which devices. It also builds peer group profiles so it knows not just how a particular employee behaves, but how they compare to others in the same role and detects anomalies. The third layer is a two-stage machine learning pipeline. Stage 1 uses unsupervised models, especially an isolation forest and an LSTM autoencoder, to detect anomalies without needing labeled fraud examples. Stage 2 then takes those anomaly signals, combines them with 85 engineered behavioral features, and passes them through a LightGBM classifier trained on validated labels. The output is a calibrated fraud risk probability for every user event updated in real time. The fourth layer is the decision engine, which combines the ML risk score with a rule engine covering escalation rules and thresholds. The engine provides one of four outcomes: approve, alert, escalate, or block. A block decision automatically triggers a SOAR integration that suspends the user's session token within 5 seconds without requiring human intervention. Every alert is accompanied by a SHAP waterfall chart, a visual explanation of exactly which behaviors drove the risk score and in which direction. The system retrains itself on a suitable schedule, daily with threshold tuning, weekly fine-tuning, monthly partial retuning if excessive false positives are detected, ensuring that as fraud tactics evolve, the model evolves with them. 2,400 crores lost every year is not a technology failure. It's a visibility failure. We build the visibility, we build the response, and we build it to work before the damage is done.